What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. We're making headway with the F150 EcoBoost today. It's my day off, so we got the old downpipes out of the truck. These things are junk, very restrictive. They're just OEM. We don't want OEM. We're trying to make some power. So we got the CV fabrication, whatever you want to call it. cvfab.com. Use my code MikesMotors5 for 5% off your entire order at checkout. We got their 3-inch catless race downpipes ready to go in the truck, paired with the stage 2 turbos. So we have BD diesel exhaust manifolds on the truck, high flow, and they have a few extra studs, and the block or the head does not utilize from factory. They're already there. So we got those manifolds in. We had to get these downpipes out so we could get the new turbos and the new coolant and oil lines in. I have a few other things to get off of the motor before I put the turbos in. The stock coolant lines are still in there. We're doing all brand new coolant lines and oil lines, so I got to get the driver side turbo oil feed and drain out, and the driver and passenger coolant lines out of the truck. Then we'll put in the new turbos. We'll get all the new lines in. Then we'll put the new downpipes in, and we'll go from there. I got a new trans mount coming just because it's already out. Might as well get a brand new one. But yeah, these are the stock cats, and I mean, you could just see how restricted they are. They go from, it's like 2-inch to 2.5 to 2, here, there, everywhere. We got these full 3-inch ready to go. I mean, look at that thing. No cats. We don't need those where we're trying to go. We got the cold air intake, the hot and cold side intercooler piping, and then we got this big intercooler. This thing is an absolute unit. I did a video on it yesterday. I thought it was made out of steel because it literally weighs 45-50 pounds. Nope, it's all aluminum. Absolute unit. And then we're going to put the blow-off valve on the intercooler. We got a Turbo Smart port. It's going to go right on the intercooler and fix our issue. If you know anything about the EcoBoost, you know that the 2012 has the blow-off valves integrated into the turbine housing. These are not 2012 turbos, because 2012 turbos, very restrictive because the blow-off valves in the housing. There's just not a lot of good airflow, not a lot of good turbo upgrades for the Gen 1 EcoBoost, the 3.5. So these are Gen 2 turbos that do not have the blow-off valve integrated into the housing, which means you're going to have to integrate a blow-off valve into your system somehow. Some people weld it to their intercooler piping, but if you go with an aftermarket intercooler that comes plumbed already for the Gen 2 setup, you can put your blow-off valve, you can get one like this, a mechanical smart port, and this will go with the adapter that it comes with right into there and take care of that issue. Nice and easy. So yeah, man, we're making headway. We got a full aluminum race radiator, brand new. We got a brand new bracket. This is for the AC condenser, brand new from Ford. We got a brand new upper rad support. We just got a bunch of new parts, man. So follow along with the build. Check out my other videos. Trying to record as much as possible. It's really hard for me to record while I'm actually working, but as soon as I get the rest of the old parts off of this motor and I start putting the new turbos in and stuff, I will be putting the phone on a tripod and just letting it do a time lapse so you guys can see that. But we are definitely far from being done. There's a lot of work ahead of us, but hey, let's embrace the process, guys, because this is the best part. Ordering all the parts, having them all show up, laying them all out, and getting them all installed. So like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. It's hot out here today. We got the shitty fan, but we're